How to make ChatGPT not detectable. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use one of the greatest AI chatbots to write you something and then also not make it detectable. So to enable yourself to actually go ahead and do this, what you're going to do is obviously there's tools nowadays, where if someone were to catch ChatGPT, so how to catch ChatGPT. So if you go over here, we write that. So how to detect OpenAI's ChatGPT output. So basically, there's a lot of detectors nowadays, okay, and people have yeah, Turnitin. So there's this brand new thing called Turnitin, okay, and Turnitin will basically allow your, ChatGPT output to be caught. Now, what I'm about to tell you is a really fun trick, okay? And it's what I learned. Now, you could do the original thing, okay? So let's say I'm like, write an essay about, let's say, World War II. Now, obviously, this will be a very big essay with a lot of information. Now, you could go ahead and change like the wordings and change some of the information, manipulate it a bit up and down, but that could take you a lot of time. Now, you could either do this, okay? Or you could do something that I found out. What you can do is you're going to take this text, copy it, you're going to come in your new tab and you're going to write Google Translate, okay? And in the Google Translate, what you're going to do is you're going to paste this text, you're going to change the language, okay? And once you do that, just copy it. Oh, wait, sorry. Yeah, you're going to take this and you're going to copy this text, okay? Now, once you've copied this, that text that we just copied will not be caught. And I have tried it, I've tested it. I don't know why or how, but it works. So that is how you can make your ChatGPT output undetectable. So yeah, that's about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.